JK Rock School Grade 1. I'm going to play through the grooves and some of the fills and some of the bars where you've got hits with the band. Okay, so the first three lines, the groove is played on the ride cymbal, snare and bass drum. And your basic groove is really bar 1, with some variations that happen later on. Okay, so here's bar 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Line 2, we'll have a crash cymbal in the first beat of the bar, in the first bar, and I'll play line 2 now, and it's got sort of variations, but as I say, when you're learning it, when you want to play along with the track, then you can play bar 1 basically for the first three lines, okay? So here is the second line as written. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next few bars in the next line are basically the same, and then the last bar of the third line, we stop on the first beat of the bar and we have a fill on the snare drum. It sounds like this. This is the last bar of the third line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this takes us to the next line, which we move on to the hi-hat. And it sounds like this. It's sort of a 2-bar pattern repeated. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you've got an open hi-hat there at the end of the first bar and at the end of the third bar. Okay, so basically what happens is that your feet go up and down at the same time. Okay, so it'll be like this. Again, when practicing it, maybe leave the hi-hat out and work on that separately. Okay, and that's basically the same for the next 2 bars in the second bottom line. So this is the second bottom line would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second bar of that line, I missed out the second quaver in the bass drum in the second bar, just to make it the same as the previous line. Okay, and the bottom line would go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the last 2 bars, you're with the band, it goes ba, ba,